Welcome back. On today's video we are going to have some cooking, some laundry and organization of fruits after washing. Kindly I welcome you all, the returning subscribers, my premier gang and the new people stepping by. Enjoy as we continue. Now here my water is in the sufuria already boiled. I had already put the cooking oil and the salt, so I'm just adding the rice, then stir it well and leave the rice to cook. Let's enjoy the music.
I could set you free, show you what this world can really be. Here with me, I could set you free of the pain and misery and
So I'll be leaving my rice to cook, and on this other side I want to prepare githeri. Here I have my sufuria. Let's see the ingredients here. I have cooking oil in this bottle. I have the spice. This is paprika spice. I have the chopped potatoes. They call it waru. I have the mixture of biringani and gojet, the chopped tomatoes, the dania, the chopped scallions, and the chopped carrots. And beside there, I have the already cooked githeri. Now let's start by pouring water in the sufuria. Let's enjoy the music as we continue watching. Kindly, the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my content. I really appreciate. My premier gang, I love you so much for your support always. And the new people stepping by, consider subscribing, like, comment and share. Let's join this amazing family. Let's learn more recipe. Go try it and you'll never regret, because they are always amazing. You'll love it and you'll always come back to my channel and comment how you went and try and what was the outcome. I'm waiting for that comment and I really appreciate. Thank you so much. Let's enjoy the music as we continue watching. Yes, on this side, my rice is ready. Just want to try decorating it with some cucumber here and the dania. Let me start just decorating it using this shape of a love. I'm just trying to see the outcome of this decoration. How will it be? Let me try as we enjoy the music.
Every day, I want your touch, and every way, I can't give it up. Anything, just to feel the rush. This just ain't enough. Oh, we make my life we can do this every night.
Let's back on this side, and as you can see, everything is ready now. I have to add my githeri here as we continue enjoying the music.
Would you be my ride or die?
Now, as you can see, it's now boiling. I will have to leave it to boil for some minutes, then my food will be ready and I will be serving it. Oh, here is my dania. I will have to put the dania is always my last ingredient. For me to feel that taste of dania, I always add it being the last ingredient. So let's wait for some minutes, then we serve our food. Will be ready. How do you see it? I love it this way, guys. This is an amazing recipe. Go try it. Oh, you'll never regret. Wow. It's looking yummy, delicious. Wow, I love it, guys. Let's enjoy the music as we continue watching this video. I really appreciate your support and I don't take it for granted. Now, Apenda, look my rice on the other side. Woo! This is so amazing, guys. Wow, I love it. Now here my food is ready and I'm going to serve it. Let's serve and eat together. Hey, this is so amazing. Look at the look, delicious. Wow. Here is my plate and I will be using the orange. I've already cut my oranges here. Yes, let's serve the food and enjoy it together. Wow. Let's enjoy the music as we serve.
Remember when you said it doesn't get better than this? Only a fool would've let you go. got into my head. Am I about to lose myself? When will all of this fade away? 'Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. 'Cause nothing's ever black and white. I don't see the fire in your eyes, wondering what I've done wrong. Those words are kinda hard to find, so I just had to write this song. I don't wanna see you cry again, and no matter how the story ends, I'll always be there for you. 'Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. 'Cause nothing's ever black and white.
And now that was my delicious lunch. After eating lunch, I had to go and do some laundry. So let's do some laundry together.
I could set you free, show you what this world can really be. Here with me, I could set you free of the pain and misery and let you be. Here with me, I could set you free. Remember when you said it doesn't get better than this? Only a fool would've let you go. You got into my head. Am I about to lose myself? When will all of this fade away? 'Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. 'Cause nothing's ever black and white. I don't see the fire in your eyes, wondering what I've done wrong. Those words are kinda hard to find, so I just had to write this song. I don't wanna see you cry again, and no matter how the story ends, I'll always be there for you. 'Cause I see colors colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. 'Cause nothing's ever black and white. Remember when you said it doesn't get better than this? Only a fool would've let you go. You got into my head. Am I about to lose myself? When will all of this fade away? 'Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. 'Cause nothing's ever black and white. I don't see the fire in your eyes, wondering what I've done wrong. Those words are kinda hard to find, so I just had to write this song. I don't wanna see you cry again, and no matter how the story ends, I'll always be there for you. 'Cause I see colors for the first time. I'm starting to realize nothing's ever black and white. And I'm caught up in the first night. Now it doesn't feel right. I'll just have to say goodbye one last time. I know that it's hopeless, but we'll both be fine. 'Cause nothing's ever black and white.
Now here are my washed clothes already. Hanged them for they to get dry. You see, we stay in the 6th floor and I must just ensure I've hung them well because the kianka down there, it's rare to find them because people are passing there. They can pick them. Yes, so guys, here is my final laundry. I've washed the buckets, have washed the clothes, have washed the shoes. Everything is well cleaned. So I went and cleaned the fruits that they were bought by my sister. So I had to clean them using the vinegar. I always use the vinegar while washing these fruits. So let's enjoy the music as I wash my fruits. Yes, then I will have to arrange them in the stand. I always organize them in a stand because you see our babies when they go to school, they used to carry them every day. They carry, so we can't put the fruits in the fridge because it will cause them to be having this flu called tonsils. So our fruits, we don't store them in the fridge. we just arrange in the stand there. Hope you will see it. Let's enjoy the music as we continue watching.
Every day, I want your touch, and every way, I can't give it up. Anything, just to feel the rush. This just ain't enough. Oh, we make my ride and die. Oh, we can do this every night. Oh, yeah. Will you be my ride and die?
So that's how I arrange my fruits after washing. Yes, thank you so much for always coming back to support me, my Prima Gang, my returning subscribers, and new people stepping by. I love you so much for your support. May God bless you. A big shout out to Monica Caranja and Juan Miguel. They are always supportive. If you haven't subscribed to their channel, consider subscribing. See what they have, amazing video there. They will support you back. Bye bye. Meet you on my next video. I love you. I love you so much. May the Almighty God bless you and bless your channel. See you on my next video always.